Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show how to fix taskbar showing in full screen. Google Chrome is one of the most popular browsers of all time. Its browser experience has revolutionized the internet industry. Some different websites and applications use different frameworks and technologies. When these interact with Chrome, a lot of issues surface. One of the issues users face that the taskbar shows while playing a YouTube video in full screen mode. Originally, when you use a full screen on your browser, the video takes up the whole of your screen. The taskbar isn't supposed to be there at all. The first method that we have is to restart Explorer.exe. File Explorer, also called Explorer.exe, is a file manager application included in the releases of the Microsoft Windows operating system. It is a graphical user interface app that helps you in accessing your file system. It is the main medium of navigating in any Windows machine, and without it, your whole computing experience might change. Many users reported that restarting File Explorer fixed their issue. It may be related to a bug, whereupon the restart gets fixed. Now you need to press Windows and R key to bring up the Run application and type taskmgr. In here, click on Processes tab and then find Explorer. So let's sort them out with the name and then type Windows, which should take you to the processes starting with the name Windows. And here you need to find Windows Explorer. When you see Windows Explorer, right click on Windows Explorer process, click on Restart, or you can just select Windows Explorer and click on the Restart button on the right bottom corner of this window. Now check to see if the issue is resolved. Second method that we have is overriding high DPI scaling behavior in Chrome. We can try overriding the high DPI scaling behavior in Chrome. Many users reported that this resulted in a quick fix to their problem. Now we need to right click on Chrome in the taskbar. When you see Google Chrome, right click again here and click on Properties. You need to go to Compatibility tab. In the settings, check the line which says Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. If you don't find it here, click on Change High DPI Settings and then click on Override High DPI Scaling Behavior and then click on OK. Then click on Apply and then click again on OK. Restart Chrome and check if your problem gets solved. The third solution that we have is to turning off visual effects. It is not a new development that Windows visual effects can conflict with any application and force it to act in bizarre ways. We saw how the full screen option in YouTube was still showing your Windows taskbar. We can try disabling your computer's visual effect and check if the problem gets fixed. If it doesn't, you can always turn them back on. Press Windows and R key to bring up Run command and then type Control Panel and hit Enter. In the Control Panel, click on the option which says System and Security. Once in the menu, click on System. If you land on this screen, go all the way down to this page and click on Advanced System Settings. In here, go to Advanced tab and then click on Settings. Here, check the option which says Adjust for Performance. Save the changes and then click on OK. This will disable all your graphic details including the arrow theme for your PC. Restart Chrome and check if the problem is solved. In many cases, each of the solutions shown in the video requires your computer to reboot. If there is no effect and your problem is the same, reboot your PC and try running Google Chrome as an administrator. Now let's move on to fourth solution. The fourth solution is disabling locked taskbar. Another feature that Windows came up with recently was lock taskbar. Here Windows allows you to lock the taskbar into place and it doesn't disappear or move even if you enable full screen. If the taskbar is locked, it will still be visible even if you switch to full screen. What we can do here is change this setting using taskbar setting and see if this makes a difference. Right click on the taskbar and click Taskbar Settings. Now toggle the option Lock the Taskbar. Restart your computer and check if this makes any difference. Fifth solution that we have is to change taskbar's position. Many users reported that changing the position of taskbar instantly fixed the issue for them. To change the position, right click on the taskbar, go to Taskbar Settings, scroll down and then find the setting which says taskbar location on screen. Change it to left, top or right, and also make sure that the option which is first in the list, that is lock the taskbar, is turned off. Once you're done with that, see if the issue is resolved. The next solution is to update Windows. If none of the previous methods work, we can try updating Windows to the latest version and see if this makes a difference. Windows releases periodic updates to patch known bugs or roll out new features. It is possible that the taskbar module is in a bugged state and requires an update. Now press Windows and S key and type update. Click on check for updates. And if there is anything pending to install, install that, and it might require your computer to restart several times. Once you are done installing all the updates, restart your computer completely and check if the issue is resolved. If none of these methods fix the issue for you, you can try to update your Google Chrome, as some people reported updating their Google Chrome fixed the issue. However, if you're having this issue while playing a game, it's possible that you are not playing on actual full screen. You might be playing on borderless full screen. This can cause your taskbar to show while playing games as well. Just go into your game setting and try to change the screen resolution or change the full screen mode from borderless full screen to full screen. If you don't have any of those options, you can try to press and hold the shift button, then try to press enter. This should give you an exclusive full screen for some game titles. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.